Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Tribe. Today, we're diving into the latest buzz surrounding Apple's next affordable iPhone. Rumors suggest that the upcoming iPhone SE4 might be rebranded as the iPhone 16e. Tim Cook recently teased a new product launch, urging us to get ready to meet the newest member of the family. Although details remain scarce, trusted sources like Bloomberg's Mark Gurman and McRumors hint that Apple is set to give its budget device a major upgrade. In this video, we'll break down what to expect from this revamped iPhone and how it could change the affordable smartphone market. Features and upgrades. Stay tuned, because next we'll talk about the biggest flaw of this device. Let's start with design. The iPhone SE4 is expected to borrow heavily from the iPhone 14's modern aesthetic. This means the classic home button might finally be retired in favor of a sleek, edge-to-edge 6.1-inch OLED display. Such a change would not only modernize the SE series, but also align it with Apple's premium models. Additionally, performance improvements are on the horizon. The new model is rumored to feature Apple's latest chip, potentially powering advanced AI features under the Apple Intelligence Suite. This could bring smarter Siri functions, enhanced text processing, and improved photo editing tools. There's even talk of Apple introducing its first in-house 5G modem, which would further boost connectivity and performance, pricing, and availability. So, when can we expect the new device? Multiple sources had suggested a late 2025 launch, with mass production rumored to have begun as early as December 2024. This fits the pattern of previous SE releases, even though they have been somewhat irregular. Currently, the iPhone SE is priced at around $429, making it Apple's most budget-friendly option. Despite these extensive upgrades, it looks like Apple aims to keep the price accessible, ensuring the new SE remains a solid choice for those who want a modern iPhone without splurging on a flagship. Rumors also hint at improved battery life and enhanced camera capabilities that could rival mid-range competitors. Additionally, the integration of advanced AI features and an in-house 5G modem may set this new model apart in the affordable segment. Competitive landscape. In today's market, budget smartphones are evolving fast. Competitors like Samsung and Google have been pushing premium features into their low-cost models. High refresh rates, multiple cameras, and sleek designs are now commonplace. With the rumored upgrades in design, performance, and connectivity, the iPhone SE4 could very well become a game-changer. By integrating a larger OLED display, advanced processing power, and even a potential AI-driven suite of features, Apple is positioning this device to compete head-to-head with the likes of the Google Pixel 8a and Samsung Galaxy A55 5G. Release and final thoughts. All these rumors indicate that Apple isn't just refreshing an old product, it's reimagining what a budget iPhone can be. The new model appears to be a significant leap forward in both design and performance, potentially transforming the entry-level iPhone into a device that appeals to a broader range of consumers. With the expected launch in early 2025, the iPhone SE4, or iPhone 16e as some are calling it, could redefine affordability for Apple fans worldwide. What do you think about these rumored changes? Are you excited for a budget iPhone that might blend premium features with an accessible price tag? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on the latest Apple rumors, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for any future tech updates from Tech Tribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.